Welcome all. Now we will move to the next exercise, exercise 5.3. All of you read the first question. Add the following rational numbers. So first one 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. So here you can see denominators are same, isn't it? 5 by 7, 3 by 7, both the denominators 7 itself. So add that if the denominator is same, what we can do? We can add the numerators like that we learned in fractions. Exactly that is same for rational numbers also. So 5 plus 3 divided by 7, you will get 8 by 7. Then next in the same itself, question number D, 3 by 8 and 1 by negative 8. You can see denominator is negative over here. Okay, so while adding rational numbers, it should be in standard form. So this if there is any negative sign in the denominator, that you have to change into positive. Okay, convert the rational number into standard form, then only add. So 3 by 8 plus minus 1 by 8. So how it will come? Denominator same, so you can add 3 minus 1 by 8 will come, 2 by 8 will be the answer. Now the second set, 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 3. So 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 3 itself, denominator same, add the numerator, so minus 2 by 3. Next minus 9 by 13 plus 4 by minus 13. So here second rational number is not in the standard form, convert that into standard form. Okay, so minus 9 by 13 plus minus 4 by 13 will come. Minus 9 minus 4 divided by whole divided by 13. So minus 13 by 13, you will get that as minus 1. Okay, next third we are moving to the third question from the exercise, simplify. Okay, so from that first question, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. So here you can see the denominator is not same. One is 3 and one is 5. So what you have to do? You have to find out the LCM of the denominator. Here 3 and 5, what will be the LCM? 15. So what will be the first fraction then? If you are finding out an equivalent fraction in such a way that denominator is LCM, 3 into 5, 15, isn't it? So 2 into 5, 10 will come. 10 by 15 will be the first fraction. Then the second one, 5 into 3, 15 we know. So 3 3s are 9. 9 by 15 will be the second fraction. So 10 plus 9 by 15. How much you will get? 19 by 5. Now from that, question number C, 4 by 9 plus minus 5 by 6. Okay, so here you have to find out LCM because denominator is different over here. Find out LCM. Here what will be the LCM? LCM will be 18. Okay, so denominator we will convert into 18. 9 into which number will give 18? 2. So 4 2s are 8. Then 6 into which number will give 18? 6 3s are 18. So minus 5 into 3. So minus 15 will come. So minus 7 by 18 will be the answer. Okay, now we are moving to the fourth set. Add and express a sum as a mixed fraction if required. So mixed fraction means final answer if you are getting in which form? Improper fraction, that you have to convert into mixed. If you are getting a proper fraction, keep it like that itself. Okay, so first question, fourth one, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Negative 4 by 5. So here what we have to do? Denominator different. We have to find out the LCM of the denominator. How much you will get the LCM? LCM will be 30. So what will be the first fraction? 15 into 2, no, 30. So numerator 1 into 15, 15 will come. Now here 3 into 10, isn't it? 30. So 1 into 10, 10 will come. Then next 5 into 6 is equal to 30 will come. So minus 4 into 6 minus 24. Now solve this. So you will get the answer as 1 by 30. Now we are moving to the sixth question from the exercise. Fifth question we are leaving because representation on the number line we didn't learn in the first exercise. So this question also we are leaving now. If it is there, I will send the video afterwards. Okay, now we are moving to sixth question, simplify. Okay, so first question is given here, 5 by 8 plus 1 by 2 plus minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 8 plus minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 5. So while examining this question, you can see here two rational numbers have 8 as a denominator. These two have 2 as a denominator, and these two have a 5 as a denominator. So we can bring together that rational numbers with the same denominator first. So 5 by 8 plus 7 by 8, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. The fraction with the same denominator, the rational numbers with the same denominator, we can add, isn't it? So these two rational numbers you are able to add now. Add that. So you will get the sum of these two as 12 by 8 plus these two as minus 2 by 2 plus these two as minus 1 by 5. Okay, so up to this much is clear for all, I think. Now what we have to do here, denominator is different. Okay, what you have to do, you have to find out the LCM of the denominator. How much the LCM here? 8, 2 and 5. 40 will be the LCM. Okay, so convert into the equivalent fraction. So first one, 8 into 5 is equal to 40 will come. So 12 into 5, 60. Like that. 2 into 20 will be 40. So minus 2 into 20 minus 40 will come. Then 5 into 8 will be 40. So minus 1 into 8 minus 8. Now solve the numerator. How much you will get? 12. 12 by 40. 12 by 40, you know 4 is a common factor for both. Cancel that, you will get 3 by 10. Hope it is clear. Now we will move to the seventh set from your exercise. If A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 2 by 3 and C is equal to minus 3 by 5, then verify A plus B is equal to B plus A. So here the value of A is given, B is given and C is given. We have to verify this one. A plus B is equal to B plus A. In verification questions, we will start with LHS. LHS means left hand side of this equality sign. Okay. So here what is lying in the left hand side? A plus B. So that you take LHS equal to A plus B. Now A means 1 by 2. Substitute the value. B means 2 by 3. Substitute the values. Now add. Denominator different. Find out LCM. Add. 7 by 6 you are getting. 7 by 6 a mixed fraction. So convert that. 7 by 6 improper fraction. So convert that into mixed fraction. Okay. Let it be equation number 1. So first LHS we got as 1 by 6. Let it be there. Okay. Now take the RHS of the equality. That means here B plus A. Okay. So RHS equal to B plus A. Substitute the values. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to how much you will get. Again find out LCM and find out the answer. You will get 7 by 6 and 1 by 6. Let it be equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2. What you got? LHS is 1 by 6. RHS is 1 by 6. Both are same. Is equal, isn't it? So equation 1 is equal to equation 2. That means what we got? LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? A plus B is equal to B plus A. That means what will be our conclusion? Hence verified. Hope it is clear. Now what you have to do, the remaining questions from this exercise you have to do as homework. Okay, all the questions from exercise 5.3 except this fifth question. This we excluded. Okay, except this fifth set, all the remaining questions you have to do as homework, and all the questions from this exercise except this 5 you have to submit in the Google Classroom by tomorrow evening 7 p.m. Thank you and have a great day.